Hello guys, welcome to Coding Tech, the place where tech becomes simple. In 2025, the world of programming is more excited than ever. But with so many languages out there, which one should you learn? Today I will give you a crystal clear answer based on your goals, whether you are a beginner, want a job, love AI or just want to build your dream app. Let's dive straight into the top 5 programming languages of 25 and find out which one is best for you. So in this video, I divided 3 sections that are section 1 is criteria, section 2 is top 5 languages and section 3 which one is best for you. This will help you to choose which programming language is best. So now let's see the section 1 criteria. But before we begin, how do we judge which language is best? Simple, we'll look at 5 things that are job opportunities, ease of learning, future scope and trends, and community support, and last one is the real world usage. First thing, that is job opportunities. This means how many companies are hiring for this language. The more job openings, the better your chance getting hired. Languages like Python, JavaScript and Java have high demand in 2025. So second one, the future scope and trends. You see that is the language are growing or slowly fading away. Languages used in AI, cloud and web development like Python, Go and JavaScript have a strong future. So let's see the third one, that is community support. Is there a big community to help you when you are stuck? So for this question, languages with big communities like Python and JavaScript have more tutorials, forums and libraries. So let's see the real world usage. Where is the language used in real life? For example, Python is used in AI and automation and JavaScript is websites and apps, Java in Android and enterprise systems. But each language on this list wins in at least one of these areas. Let's break it down. So now let's see that section 2, that is the top 5 languages. So in this first one is Python, the king of simplicity and AI. If you are a beginner or dreaming of future in AI, data science, Python is your best friend because it was super easy to read and write. It is used by giants like Google and Netflix. It dominates AI, machine learning and web automation. So this is best for beginners, AIML and automation lovers. So verdict, that is learn Python if you want flexibility and future ready skills. And the second one is JavaScript, the web ruler. Want to become a web developer, front end, back end, even mobile apps? JavaScript does it all. From Facebook to YouTube, it powers your favorite sites. With frameworks like React, Node.js and Next.js, it is lifeblood of modern web dev. Best for aspiring web developers, UI and UX lovers, and startup builders. Verdict: JavaScript is your go-to if you want to build websites, apps, or work as a freelancer. And third one is Java, the enterprise titan. Still a giant in industries, Java runs banks, governments, and Android apps. While it's more verbose than others, it's powerful and widely used, best for enterprise software, backend systems and Android dev. Verdict, that is learn Java if you want stability, Android jobs or work in big companies. And fourth one is C, the foundation stone. Want to understand how computer really work? Learn C. It's fast, close to hardware and used in system programming, embedded systems and game engines. Best for hardcore runners, embedded dev, low-level programming. Verdict, that is C is for you if you love performance and want to build your fundamentals strong, means basics strong. And last one is Go, the new performance king. Built by Google, Go is fast, simple and perfect for cloud computing and backend services. It's growing fast in companies building scalable apps and microservices. Best for cloud developers, backend dev, and system level engineers. Verdict, Go is ideal if you want future scope backended skills. So this is all guys, the top 5 languages. So section 3, which one is best for you? This is very important in this video. So let's make it super simple. So firstly I will tell that if you are a total beginner, then if you don't know about coding, programming, and you as a beginner, so then go for Python is the best choice for the beginners. And if you want to build websites, if you are interested in building websites and all, learn JavaScript. And if you are interested in Android or enterprise dev, go for Java. Want to master core CS, go for C. And if you want to learn cloud and backend systems, go for Go language. So at last, my advice, start with Python if you are not sure. It opens the door to almost everything. And remember, the best language is the one that gets you building. Don't get stuck in analysis. Pick one and start coding today. If this helped you, hit that like button, subscribe for more practical tech content, and drop a comment. Which language are you learning in 2025? See you in next one. Okay, bye.